That was pretty sketchy. Let's just say it how it is. Hey my lovelies, can you believe it's June already? I cannot. Which means we gotta be working on the giveaway. This is all, it's like so close to almost being done. We're gonna be working on this because we need to get Liberty Bibberty Sheila in here. That's right. It's almost time for the Onyx Off-Road Build Challenge built. And if you've been hiding under a rock somewhere, I'm going to be building a 2002 Jeep Liberty called Sheila. Yeah, we got to get this done. So let me show you what needs to get done. Pretty much a lot. But that's okay. We're going to get it done. No problem at all. So we need to get the rear axle in with those arms and the shocks, because the rear axle is pretty much ready to just bolt everything in and be there. And we'll have to center it and do all that stuff. Wheels, tires, perfect. The front, a little more complicated. We're gonna have to take that axle, throw it underneath. We still have the track bar bracket to throw on there, and we still have the upper control arm bracket to weld on there too. Can't do that until that axle is really in place. But we have to take the rear axle off that axle stand so that we can put the front axle on that axle stand. There's a lot of moving, a lot of schnoogling, if you know what I mean. Walter is here, so I'm gonna use his superpowers and we are gonna get straight to work. Did you know that Robbie Layton has been building a bus with Onyx Off-Road lately? If not, I'll leave a link in the description below. You've got to check it out and you could be part of the build. If you are a member, you could have your name on the Onyx school bus. If you're an elite member, your name will be really big. If you're a premium member, your name will be a little smaller. And if you are a basic member, your name will be on the bus, but it will be a little smaller. So make sure that you look at the link in the description below and check it out. Make sure your name is on the side of the Onyx school bus. All right, you just saw us schnooggle some things around. That's right. We had to take the axle off the axle stand, put it on the ground because we can't get that underneath the Jeep where it is right now on those jack stands. So what we're going to do now is we're going to attach the rear axle, which is ready to go. We just need to attach everything, those arms, the shocks, and we should be looking a little more complete, even just by doing that.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a wee bit. So we're gonna attach that right now and take a look at it. You know what? It's time for lunch. And today, we have a very special lunch. Okay, so we are taking a lunch break today, but we're not staying in town. We're actually going to go up to Rudy's. Walter has never seen Rudy's shop before, and I don't think I've taken you guys up to Rudy's shop before. A lot of you come and visit me in town. I'm about 7 minutes away from Matt's Off-Road. So we're pretty close, but Rudy is close as well. Everyone has this misconception that he's super far away. He really isn't, and you'll see when we get up there just how cool his shop is. You guys definitely have to head up there, and we're gonna see how long it takes for us to get from the center of Hurricane, we're just a way to leave and go up the hill right now, to the front of his shop. I'm gonna tell you, it's not long.
Okay, we're here, and that took 26 minutes. And I'm so excited to actually see his shop. This will be fun. And we're gonna grill, is that correct?
I think we're grilling, yeah.
We're having lunch. And they're setting up a tent. This is so formal. This is gonna be great. How are you?
Hi, baby. Hey, hey, Rudy.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. We're excited to be here.
Yeah,
Excited to
see
have
your
you
shop.
guys.
Ah.
Your new shop.
My
Not-
new shop.
Your new, not so new shop.
Uh-huh.
Not so new, but new to me.
Yeah. It's kind of a
It's
hot
not-
day today.
It's warm down there. It's not bad. It's not by any means bad. It is just warm. Here is like
It's
paradise.
hot. What are you chewing on?
Yeah. Okay. I've got all that upstairs area up in there.
Okay. Storage.
Storage up there.
Is there a car?
And that door goes through the shop.
Nice.
The other side.
I want to see.
It's nice and
It
cool in
is.
here. Wow. You got all your swag here.
Yeah, what do you want?
What's that red Charger shirt?
All of it. Just all of it, Rudy.
So,
How have you been, Zach? Good? Yeah. Working away?
I don't pay attention. It doesn't matter. I'm American.
Burgers were amazing. Thank you so much, guys.
yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it. I'm sure you have a lot to do, so we're gonna get out of your hair. We have a couple of things to do today.
Yeah, we're busy also.
We're busy also. It's not just Rudy.
Not just burgers all
Just
day.
not
hanging out.
burgers and hanging out with Zach and Rudy. We gotta go. So hasta la vista, guys.
Drive safe.
Will do. And it's the next day, that rear axle is almost in, so I'm going to finish that off right now. I need to complete putting those shocks in, put the track bar in there, and then we're done in the rear for now. Okay, I actually just made a quick call because I have some springs here for the shocks that are spring rated 250 and some that are spring rated 300. And I really wasn't too sure where all the springs went, whether, you know, the heavier springs went to the front because all the weight is in the front of the vehicle. But then I had a thought, well, the shocks are mounted on an angle, so I gave him a quick call anyway, because no question is a stupid question, is my belief. And we're going to be doing 250 over 300 across the board. So now that I have that information, we can get those springs in and the shocks mounted properly or fully, and then I'll grab that track bar and pop that in so that it doesn't swing at all, and we can take it up and down on the lift. So now, I have these on all of my vehicles. It eliminates the squeaky noise that you get with the plastic sliders that tend to crack. But I'm going to leave a link in the description below for these. It's 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Very simple to assemble and very easy to get on there. Say I love that move for myself, but it did work. So, you know, that was pretty sketchy. Let's just say it how it is. That was sketcherific. But again, it's in, it worked. So let's get the other side done. Remember, you have a chance to win this Jeep. Head on over to treadlightly.org where there are 3 ways where you can enter to win this Jeep that we are building right here in the Mischief Maker TV garage. You can buy a t-shirt or a hoodie and that will get you entries. You can make a donation for as little as $5 to get an entry, or even better still, become a member of Tread Lightly and get multiple entries. Now, this is going to be going on until the middle of November, so make sure that you're in it to win it. Not gonna lie, that was pretty terrifying. Not really terrifying, but I was holding the weight of everything with my knee with that jack, and I was so worried in case I was going to smash my fingers, but hey ho, we got them in. To take the lift up because I need this bottom line up with the bracket, so that might have been the minuscule that I needed. Now I'm going to bring it down and see if it just slides a little into place. We just need to come down a tiny bit. Then I'm going to use that lady finger to line the holes up and hopefully get that bolt in. Let's see if we can come down just a little. the other side so that one stayed in. Okay, here we go. You can see that it's slid down more into place right there. So I'm just going to use the lady finger, hopefully get the bolt straight through there, no problem. This in. There you are. Okay, listen. Some people have told me that my problem-solving skills are to be desired. I may not be the quickest problem solver, but by golly, I get it done. It may take me an hour, it may take me 4, it may take me a day or 2, but at the end of the day, this is why I work for myself and I'm not a real mechanic, okay? I like to learn in my own time. I like to do in my own time. If I get frustrated, I hate working through frustration. I like to walk away. I like to come back with a fresh new mind. Because this stuff, honestly, can be very, very frustrating. It really can. I didn't realize just how much, but you get frustrated, you walk away, you come back, probably doesn't work again for the next 2-3 times, and then you get something done and you're like, yes, look at that, it's done, and I did it, and it's done. And then you feel good. So the good outweighs the bad. I think so with this anyway, so. All right, let's get that track bar in. We have to center this rear axle so that we can get that track bar on. Tried putting the track bar on, but realized that the axle was definitely not centered, still isn't. You can kind of tell where the hubs are right now. So we have to move it more over passenger way, and then we should be able to get that track bar, which is currently hanging down in there. So it's going to be a lot of back and forth, kind of shuggling that over to the passenger side, as I said, and then measuring from the frame to the calipers to see where we are. And once it's perfect, we'll get that in, and we should be looking good. So we're looking good, people. I'm really happy with what's happening, what's been going on. Doesn't look like much, but let me tell you, I used to be one of those people who was like, oh, why is my Jeep taking so long to build? It doesn't seem that hard. It's just this and an arm and a bracket and a... Okay, let me tell you something. If you've never done it, you don't know. Okay, I take back all my moans and groans, especially to Leo at T&T Monster Truck in Ronkonkoma, because I did a lot of that. I don't think I did it to his face. Sorry, Leo, but I was like, oh, why is he taking so long? It's not that difficult. Well, there's a reason why we pay a lot of money for builders to put something like this together. Let me tell you. It's a very humbling experience. And as I said earlier on, there's some frustrating moments, but at the end of the day, when this is rolling pretty soon, it's just gonna be the best feeling. And whoever wins this, oh my gosh, I hope you love as much as I do. I wish I could enter for this one. Unfortunately, I can't. Anyway. All right, that is the end of the day. I'm gonna head on home, hang out with the boys for a little bit, get editing this video for you guys, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.